Hey folks, Cooking with Kelbob here. If you like Southern living and you like Southern food, I'm getting ready to teach you how to cook a Southern living shrimp casserole. You got 3 to 5 minutes. Just take 3 to 5 minutes and watch this. And you too are gonna cook like Bobby Filet and Paula Dean and Christy Howard. You're gonna make an amazing dish. This is so wonderful. Oh my gosh, you gotta see this. On with me is Grill Dog Sherman. Oh, good catch. Everybody should have a grill dog because when you drop food on the floor, you don't have to bend over and pick it up. Hey folks, today we are making Southern living shrimp casserole. This is gonna be awesome. So let's go ahead and get started so you too can cook like a pro. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna prepare the rice according to directions. And we just used a long grain white rice. We used a cup of rice and 2 cups of water, and we boiled that and simmered it down. 1.5 pounds of medium-sized roast shrimp, 1/2 cup of butter, which is a full stick, 1 green pepper chopped, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic minced, and I cheat. I use the regular jarred garlic, 4 green onions chopped, 2 cans cream of celery soup, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper, and 1 cup of cheese. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to melt my butter and get a little saute stock going on. This is so good. You're going to be able to cook like Paula Dean, Bobby Filet, and Christy Howard. My sister Christy gave me this recipe the last time we went to their house to eat, and it was so good. And 3 celery ribs chopped. So after I have my butter melted, my saute going, I'm going to add my green onion and my celery. I'm going to add my onion. I'm going to add my bell pepper, 2 cloves of garlic or 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. A little of this goes a long way. I'm going to saute this on medium heat for about 10 to 12 minutes. While my vegetables are sauteing, I'm going to get out a 9x13 baking dish and lightly grease it. So after my vegetables, my onions, have sauteed for about 10 to 12 minutes, I'm going to stir in my cream of celery soup, 2 cans. Give that a good stir. Big old Paula Dean, Bobby Filet, Christy Howard stir. Everything out of Southern living has pure butter in it. And that's the way we like it. Isn't that right, Grill Dog? And then we're going to stir in our shrimp. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Now we're going to mix our rice, pre-cooked, already cooked, into our shrimp mixture. Paula Dean, eat your heart out. You can see what we have going on here. So now we're going to take our cup of cheddar cheese or Colby cheese or whatever kind of cheese floats your boat, and we're going to sprinkle that on top. Always wash my hands before I cook. We're not going to kill it with cheese. And then we're going to just take a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and we're going to kind of sprinkle that on top. And now we're going to bake for 25 minutes. And you too can fix a Southern living shrimp casserole that's gonna just blow your guests away.
Kelbob out.